How are you doing? So I just wanted to kind of outline what I'm trying to build when it comes to these t-shirts. So I think the front of the shirt, here's our logo. I want it pretty simple. If you can add something, I don't know if this makes sense to have more over here or not, but just again, very clean, simple on the front. And then on the back, I like the three dots kind of in the bottom. But there's something that I definitely wanted to incorporate here, and this is just an example I found online, but I think kind of a similar concept, obviously without the black box around it, clean it up. But having, my company name, Chinook Auto Tinting here, I like the circle around the almost cartoon feel car, and I have a couple pictures to, I guess, reference more or less. Like here's the car I'd want to use. It's a 2011 Boss 302, and the car is naturally orange, so I think it would make a really good fit. If you do have to draw this, and I think adding the louvers in the back end there doesn't come stock like that. So if you Google pictures, there's actually some more pictures here of the car that I think we should use. The orange. Some of these pictures aren't very good, but the orange is really quite bright and matches, I think, the brand quite nicely. But that front end style to kind of replace the truck, and then I think having getting rid of this and just having our tagline, which would be something like your automotive or your auto enthusiasts, with our website www.chinookautotinting.com. I think that would be really good. So if you look at, even go to our homepage, this is kind of the style. I think the cleaner look, but what I really like about that, chinookauto.com. What I really like about this, it's kind of feels like a little more old school. Having it, in the back of the shirt, I think would be really cool. It's just getting the boss. I like the circle. I like the background. I even do like the font just for the back. But again, whatever you think as a designer would be really cool. This is just kind of a starting point. So yeah, let me know what you think, and hopefully we can get that Boss 02 on there. We keep the oranges, and hopefully it will really pop. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But I think it's pretty straightforward with this example, and we'll go from there.